Today, I'm going to show you how to apply a vendor credit in QuickBooks Online. First, sign into QuickBooks Online and open the correct company file. From the left side menu, click Expenses. Then open the Bills tab. Find the bill you want to apply the vendor credit to. If you have a lot of bills, use the search or filter options to find the correct vendor or bill. Once you find the bill, click Mark as Paid. This opens the bill payment page. On the bill payment page, look for the Available Credit section. You should see any vendor credits connected to that same vendor. Select the vendor credit you want to apply. QuickBooks will reduce the payment amount by the credit amount. If the credit covers the full bill, the amount to pay may become zero. If the credit only covers part of the bill, you will still see the remaining balance that needs to be paid. Review the payment date, payment account, bill amount, credit amount, and remaining balance. Once everything looks correct, click Save and Close. QuickBooks will apply the vendor credit to the bill and update the vendor balance. If you do not see the credit, make sure it was created for the same vendor and has not already been used. You can also check the vendor's transaction list to confirm the credit was applied correctly. And that's how to apply a vendor credit in QuickBooks Online in 2026.